Was about good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to the show. Now we are going to see the Big Bang World Song. Now we are going to perform the story of the wolf and the seven little kids. Was a golden child, there was a mother wolf who was and the seven little kids. One day she wanted to go to the forest to get some food, so she said, little kids, come here. Listen to me, little children. I'm going to the forest to get some food. Beware of the big bad wolf. If you come here, he will eat you. He's got a red voice and black feet. Don't open the door, okay? Okay, Mother. Don't worry, dear Mother. We will take care of ourselves. We will not open the door. So the mother wolf went into the forest. The wolf is some milk and tastes kibbles. Open the door, dear children, right. Open the door, dear children, perfect. The wolf quickly went back to the house of the little kids. Open the door, dear children, each your mother. Something It's like our mother. No, wait, I can't see that feet. It's a wolf. No, we will not open the door. You are not our mother. She has white feet and your feet are black. You are the big black wolf. Away, wolfie. Dot, what can I do? Let me think. Oh yes, I know.
The wolf it was very angry. He left the house and went to the baker's to get some flour to make his feet wet.
Good morning, what would you like? We have bread, delicious cakes, donuts. I want bread, okay. Donuts. I want delicious little cakes. Sorry, what did you say? I want flour and butter. And here you are. Bye. So white flour here, so white flour here. Now little kids are coming to eat it.
The wolf ran back to the house of the 7 little kids.
Open the door, dear children. It's your mother. I got something delicious for each one of you. It's like our mother. Let us see your feet. Yes, you have white feet like our mother. We will open the door.
The 7 little kids opened the door and saw the wolf. It terrified and tried to hide.
The wolf left the room and started looking for the kids. Little kids, where are you?
Chair, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here.
Let me look under the chair. Where are the little kid? Cardboard, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here.
Let me look in the garden. Where are the little kid? Sable, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here.
Let me look under the chair. Where are the little kid? Yum. was there, Mother looking home from the forest. Open the door, dear children. It's your for the one of you. Children, what are you?
The big bad wolf and the little kids. No, mother, I'm here inside the club. The big bad wolf has eaten all my brothers and sisters, and now he's sleeping in the big old tree.
The mother goat and the little kid went off to fight the wolf. The wolf was asleep. Oh dear, I don't feel well. I need some water. I'm thirsty.
But the heavier stones made him fall into the river, and the big bad wolf drowned. The goats were very popular as a